Hello, Ivan, Old School Automotive, Lexus IS 250. Cranks and no start. Let me show you what it does. Or starts and dies. It does not even if you try to accelerate. If you scan it, it does not have any codes. Except some something, well, whatever. There is no engine codes. I already figure out the problem, but here is what the problem is. The problem is aftermarket crap that people put on the cars. I don't know why. I did check whether it's got voltage here. It's got voltage, it's got reference, and I think it's connected correct because it's not setting any codes for that. Yeah, no codes in the engine. Watch it now. That's it. Runs. Even don't have to accelerate. Runs, accelerates. That's it. That's what aftermarket crap does to people. So, don't buy aftermarket parts. Don't have money, pick up a used one. Alright, thank you.